Hey lovelies, welcome to your Power Yoga Flow. In today's class, we are going to be practicing just with ourselves and the breath and the beautiful sounds of the Ibiza nature. So we've got some frogs, we've got some birds, we've got some tweeting going on. So this is your time for you to connect to you. So let's start by grounding ourselves, coming into a child's pose. Toes together, knees nice and wide, and place your forehead onto the mat. And just take some nice deep breaths in through the back of the shoulders and out through the nose. And as you're doing this, I want you to breathe in and just feel some warm energy on your back, kissing all of your skin, your feet, your hands. And as you're exhaling, just melting down a little bit more. Maybe you could breathe in some of this Ibiza sun that's on my skin right now, and I'm sending it from me to you. And as you're exhaling, just pressing your palms down and just receiving some love and some strength from each other. So see if you can feel that from the earth and see if we can channel that to each other right now. And when you're ready, just lifting up the head, slide your left arm under your right, turn your head to look at the left arm and reach your right arm forward and just take some deep breaths in here. Try and sink your hips back and down. Taking one more breath. And when you're ready, we're just going to change sides. So slide the right arm onto the left, sink the hips back, just deep breaths in, deep breath out. Really fill up your cup today, really fill your belly up. And then let it go. And when you're ready, coming into a downward dog, just pedal your feet, push your right foot, then left foot down, turn your hips side to side, turn your head like you're saying no. And we're going to step the right foot behind the right hand and the left behind the left, and just let the body weight pull you down to the ground. Hold the elbows and just gently sway side to side. Then come to stillness. Slide your left palm under your left foot and your right under your right. Come into gorilla pose. Bend your knees, drop the chin down. Just take some deep breaths in. Breathing out and let any stress, any worries, any anxiety, just let it all drain out the top of your head and be transmuted back into the earth. Then slowly release the feet, slowly standing up, coming up, up, up. Take hold of your left wrist, lean over to the right, just taking a bend here, pushing down into your feet. Exhaling over a little bit more. Then come up to centre and then folding over. And then come to neutral, hands in a prayer, chin tucks down, just take a deep breath in. Exhale. So when you're ready, sweep the arms above your head in a prayer, take a little back bend, and then exhale, forward fold to bend your knees. Breathing into halfway lift, lift up the chest, the spine is straight, knees are slightly bent, push the heart through and draw the elbows in to wrap in towards each other. Exhale, hands to floor, step your right knee back on the mat. Take an inhale, send the arms up to sky, open the fingers wide, bend the elbows into cactus, push the heart forwards, take a breath in. Exhale, fingertips to floor, lengthen left leg, push in the right heel towards the ground if it feels ready. If not, push the right heel forwards. Take a breath in, pull the heart through, look forwards, draw the elbows to wrap in. Exhale then to fold over that front leg. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, fold. One more, inhale, lift, lengthen to the crown of the head, all the way down to the heels, toes. Exhale, fold. Bend the left leg, right hand down, left arm reaches up. Roll into the edge of the feet, inhale, reach back. Exhale, sweep the arm up above to the sky, reaching forwards. Let's do that 3 more times. Inhale, open the palm, really swipe your aura clean, drop the hip. Inhale, reach forwards. Last one, breath in. Come into the front of the mat, spin the right heel down, shifting the body weight to the back. Inhale, left arm reaches up to sky, breathe into the armpit. Exhale, shift into the other leg. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, back to the other leg. Inhale, lift, point the left toes up. This time, bring both hands back to the front, stepping back to plank, lowering the heart down. Inhale, elbows in. Exhale, heart pulls through, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Pedal the feet, stepping right then left to the front, ankles together. Take a halfway lift as you breathe in, pull the heart through. Exhale, surrender down. Inhale up to sky. Exhale, all the way back down to the ground again. Inhale, halfway lift. Lengthen that spine, tuck the tailbone up. Exhale, fold. Left knee steps back. Arms up to sky, breath in. Exhale, push the heart through, cactus. Open the palms, breathing in. Exhale, fingertips to floor, lengthen right leg, push the left heel down. Breathing in, fingertips, pull the heart through. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Bend the right knee, left hand down. Reach the right arm up. Roll into the edge of the feet. Inhale, reach back. Exhale, reach forward. Look down the right fingertips. So follow the hand up. Follow it up to the sky, the sun. Reaching back. Inhale, forward. Exhale, back. One more time. Breath in, reach forwards. Spin the left foot on the mat. Come into the back of the mat. Right toes point up. Left arm down. Right arm up. Breathe. Exhale, shift sides. Inhale, lift. Exhale, shift. Inhale, lift, reach up. Look at the front of the mat. Both hands come back to the front, taking chaturanga, chest down, untuck toes, cobra, pull the heart through, squeeze the elbows in, tuck the toes, downward dog. Step the left and the right to the front. Take a halfway lift, pull your heart through, look forwards. Exhale, surrender. Inhale, rise up to sky. Exhale, straight back down, forward fold. Halfway lift, pull the heart through, nice long spine. Exhale, right toe step back, push the right heel forward, send the energy up. Bend the left knee, push the heart forwards, inhale, cactus. Exhale, fold, left leg lengthens, right leg pushes down. Take a breath in. Lift the heart. Exhale, fold the heart. Bend the left leg. Right hand down, left arm up. Roll into the side of the right foot, step back, side plank. Take a breath in, long spine. Reach the left arm over your ear, take a breath in. Exhale, put the left foot back at the front of the mat, spin the right foot open, come to the back of the mat, Skandasana. Breath in, left arm reaches up to sky. Exhale, stand up, warrior two. Bend your left knee, looking down your left fingertips. Take a breath in. Exhale, back to Skandasana to the right, coming down. Take a breath in, walk your hands forwards. Exhale to fold. Looking at the front of the mat, bring both hands to the front, taking chaturanga, lowering down. Inhale, up dog or cobra, downward dog. Step right, left to the front or hop. Ankles are kissing, halfway lift, pull the heart through. Exhale, fold. Inhale, palms up. Exhale, straight back down, swipe that aura clean, forward fold. Inhale, pull the chest forwards. Exhale, left toes, take a big step back, push the heel forward. High lunge as you rise up, coming into cactus on the exhale, push your heart through. Inhale, open the palms. Squeeze the shoulders back and down, exhale forward. Lengthen the right leg, taking that pyramid, take a breath in, lift the heart. Exhale, lower the heart. Bend your right leg, right arm lifts up, roll to the side, the left foot, side plank. Take a breath in, lengthen spine. Exhale, arm over ear. Take a breath in, right foot steps to front. Spin the left heel down, Skandasana to the back of the mat, right toes up, right arm up, reach up, look up. Looking at the front of the mat, warrior two to stand. Hips and heart are square to the edge of your mat, looking down your right fingertips, take a breath in. Exhale, Skandasana to the left, flex the right toes up, take a breath in. Exhale, fold down towards the ground, don't force this. Take one more breath here. Exhale, looking at the front of the mat, taking plank, taking chaturanga, or go back to downward dog. Up dog or cobra, pull the heart through, downward dog. Pedal the feet, step left, right, or hop to the front. Look where you're going, taking a halfway lift as you inhale. Come up to your back is straight. So if you need to come up to your thighs, that's fine. Exhale, folding down. Give yourself a hug, hold the elbows, hold them tight and try and stand up, lengthen the legs, looking at your knees, maybe your hamstrings straighten. Exhale, folding down, inhale, rise up. Exhale, straight down the middle of the mat, forward fold. Taking a breath in, pull the heart through, coming up till that back is straight. The legs are pretty much straight, small bend in your knees. Elbows draw in, exhale, fold. Step or jump back, chaturanga, dandasana, up dog or cobra. Pull the heart through, downward dog. Right leg lifts up, open, breathe. Bend the knee, I've got a tree here so I keep catching it. Right knee to right elbow. Inhale, high, three-legged dog. Right leg steps between the thumbs. Take a breath in to stand up, exhaling into that cactus bend, the elbows, breathe. Taking a warrior three, lift your left leg, roll the shoulders back and down. Exhale, left hand down, left toes down, right arm up, take side plank, take a breath in. Exhale, right foot goes back to the front, spin the left foot, come to Skandasana at the back of the mat. Take the left arm out, right arm out, like you're gonna hug the wall. Bring the hands to a prayer, stand up warrior two. Open the arms, breathe. Inhalation. Exhale, back to Skandasana, bring the arms up, bring them back to prayer. Flex the foot, take a breath in. Exhale, taking chaturanga. Leg can be up, leg can be down. Downward dog. Left foot rises up, open the hip. Left knee to left elbow. Inhale, back to three-legged dog. Step or place the left foot between the thumbs. Inhale, standing up for cactus. Push the heart through, breathe into the palms. Exhale, warrior three. Lift the right leg, roll the shoulders back and down. Reach the fingertips, extend the crown of the head. Exhale, right hand down, right toes down, left arm up, step back, side plank, breath in. Exhale. Inhale, left foot goes back to the front, spin the right foot open, Skandasana coming up and down to the back. Take a breath in, open the arms out wide. Breathe into that lion heart. Exhale, hands to prayer, warrior two, rise up, bend the left knee, looking down the left fingertips. Take a breath. Exhale, Skandasana, back to the back of the mat, hands in prayer. Flex the left toes up, inhale, straight spine. Exhale, chaturanga at the front of your mat. Up dog or cobra. Downward dog. Okay, right leg lifts up, open the hip, open the heart, breathe. Lengthen the arms away, right knee to right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog, leg goes up straight. Right foot steps between the thumbs. Inhale, come up, cactus. Bend the elbows, breathe. Exhale, warrior three. Roll the shoulders back and down. Inhale, left hand down, left toes down, side plank. Breath in, long spine. Exhale, right foot back to the front, Skandasana to the back of the mat. Sweep the arms up, bringing them into a prayer, then open them out wide, flex the toes up. Hands back to prayer, look at the front of the mat, warrior two, stand up, inhale. Exhale, back to Skandasana. Take a breath in. This time, exhaling back up to warrior two. Flip the right palm, reverse the warrior. Inhalation. Bend the right knee, push the right knee out towards the little toe. As we exhale, bring in both hands down, cartwheel the hands, pivot on the toes, chaturanga dandasana, or go back to downward dog. Left leg lifts up, open hip. Push the arms away. Left knee to left elbow. Three-legged dog. Left foot between the thumbs. High lunge. Into cactus. My goodness, I am sweating. Take a breath. Exhale, warrior three. Lift the right leg, roll the shoulders back and down, reach the fingertips, reach the toes, open the palms, open the heart. Right hand down, right toes down, left arm up, side plank, breath in for one. Exhale. Inhale, left foot back to the front, spin the right heel, go to the back of the mat, Skandasana, hands come to prayer, then push them out wide, breath in. Exhale, look at the front, warrior two, rise up. Take a breath in. Exhale, back to prayer, Skandasana, breath in. Exhale, back to warrior two. Flip your left palm, reverse your warrior, looking down that right arm, bend that left knee, turn that gaze, turn that drishti. Exhale, cartwheel both hands to the floor. Swan dive if you like, the left leg can go up. Up dog or cobra, downward dog. Taking 3 breaths in down dog or child's pose, just taking a recovery here. Soft bend in your knees, lengthening the arms, wrap the triceps in towards each other as you push the earth plane away from you and tilt your bum hole up to the sky. Inhale, chest presses gently towards thighs if you're in your down dog, and if you're in child's pose, just relax. One more breath wherever you're at. Let's go, right leg up, coming back to downward dog if you're down, right leg up, open the hip, right knee to right elbow, exhale. Inhalation, three-legged dog. Right foot between the thumbs, standing up, high lunge into cactus, push that heart through, inhale. Exhale, warrior three. Whoop, bit wobbly there. Interlace your fingers behind your back or hold your elbows. Coming into shoulder opener here. Breathing in, point the toes or flex the toes down, whatever feels better for you. Release the left hand, left toes down, side plank. Inhale to step back. Exhale, right foot back to the front. Spin the left heel down, Skandasana, hands come into prayer, flex the toes, take a breath. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, Skandasana. Whoop, nearly went over there. Exhale, warrior two into reverse, take a breath. Looking down that back arm, breathing in. Exhale, right arm to floor, left arm to sky, extended warrior. Breathing in. Wrap that hand behind you, either placing it on your thigh and taking a hold, or take a bind if it feels good. Pull the left shoulder back. Inhale. Push the hips forwards. Rotate the left shoulder up to sky. Exhale. One more breath. Going to start to lengthen that right leg, coming into binded pyramid. Breathing in. If this is too much, stay with the knee bent. Keep trying to spin your heart open. Keep pushing down into that back edge of that foot. Exhale, bend your right knee. If it's lengthened, bringing both hands to floor. Chaturanga Dandasana, or go back to downward dog. I'm even downward dog because I'm sweating my tits off. Okay. Whew. Notice how your right side feels towards your left. Maybe it feels longer and more stretchable now. Left leg up, open the hip. Lengthen the arms. Left knee to left elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Left foot steps between the thumbs. High lunge, inhale. Cactus bend the left knee, push the right hip forwards. Exhale, warrior three. Find that balance, interlace your fingers behind your back, pull the shoulder blades together, rotate the hips to square the front, flex the toes down on the back leg or point. Take a breath in, extend your head away from your shoulders. Exhale, lengthen through the body. Right arm down, right toes down, left arm up. Inhale, back to side plank. Exhale, left foot steps back to the front. Spin your right heel down and open and come to Skandasana, back of the mat, hands in prayer. Flex your left toes up, breath in. Exhale, warrior two. Look down your left fingertips, square those hips, open that heart. Skandasana, flex the left toes up, hands in prayer, elbows out. Exhale, warrior two into reverse. Looking behind you like you're dancing, breathing in. Exhale, left hand comes down, right arm up, open, extended warrior. Option to wrap your hand and place it on your thigh, or see if you can grab the wrist. Roll the right shoulder back, trying to open the heart towards the sky, taking a breath in, looking up. That left knee's collapsing in, use your left shoulder to push it back. And then start to lengthen your left leg here, breathing in, exhaling. One more breath. Exhale, bend the knee, stay in the bind, breathing in, take your time. Exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana, or go back to downward dog. Option to lift up left, swan dive, up dog or cobra. Taking down dog or child's pose. 3 breaths here. Inhale. Exhale, bend those knees. Push the hips up to the sky. Inhale. Lengthen the arms, pushing the floor away from you. One more breath in, one more breath out. Step in or jump into your hands, bend your knees, feet together. Halfway lift. Exhale, chair pose. Bend the knees, take a breath in. Sinking down, inhale, pull the hands up by the ears. Exhale, push the hips back, check you can see your toes. Inhale, looking up. Exhale, interlace the fingers behind you. Take an inhale, fold over the thighs, arms go up towards the sky, take a breath in. Exhale. One more time here. Hands to floor, option take a crow, bend your knees. Shifting the shoulders over the fingertips, pushing up into the floor. Lifting up the right leg, perhaps the left, maybe one, not both. Step or jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Up dog or cobra, pull the heart through. These are totally optional, by the way. Downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts up, open hip. Exhale, right knee to right elbow, shift forwards. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, right foot between the thumbs, high lunge, breath in, bend your right knee, cactus, inhale. Exhale, warrior 3, interlace those fingers if you can behind your back or hold your elbows. Flex the left toes down. Drop the left hip down and right hip down and pull the right shoulder back a little bit. Take a breath in and push out through your left heel. And as you exhale, extend the crown of your head forwards. Left hand down, left toes down, right arm up, breath in to step back to side plank. Exhale, stay here. Right foot back to the front, spin the left foot, Skandasana to the back, hands in prayer. Flex toes, exhale, warrior 2. Inhale, Skandasana. Exhale, warrior 2 into reverse. Can you hear how out of breath I am? Breathe in. Exhale. Right arm down, left arm up. Breathing in, taking that bind. Taking a breath, pull the heart through. Exhale, rotate up to the sky. Start to lengthen your right leg if you can, taking binded pyramid. Breathing in. Keep a mild bend in your knee, don't force. Exhale, bend the knee. Looking at the floor. Okay, I want you to walk the left foot or hop the left foot in. Keep hold of that wrist if you can, and see if you can lean your body weight into your left foot. If this is enough and you stay here, that's fine. Or see if you can start to lift up the right leg, coming into stand. Take your time, breathing in. Pull the shoulder blades together, point the toes on the right foot. Lengthen from the foot to the top of the head. Breath in. Exhale, coming back down. We're not opening the leg yet. Step or jump the left foot back. Opening the arms onto the mat. Taking Chaturanga or going straight back to downward dog. Left foot rises up, open the hip. Lengthen the arms, left knee to left elbow. Inhale, 3-legged dog. Exhale, left foot between the thumbs. High lunge. Into cactus, bend your left knee, push your heart forward, inhalation, squeeze the shoulders, exhale, warrior 3, interlace the fingers, open the chest for me, flex the right toes towards the floor, pull your left hip and left shoulder back, push your right shoulder forwards a bit more, pushing out through the right heel as you inhale, and as you exhale, lengthen the top of the head away from the body, place the right toes and right hand down, side plank to inhale, exhale, stay here. Inhalation, left foot back to the front, spin the right heel, Skandasana, hands come to prayer, back of mat. Breath in to arrive. Exhale to warrior two. Inhale, Skandasana. Exhale, warrior two into reverse. Drop the right arm down, looking behind you, take a breath in. Exhale, left hand down, right arm up. Really pushing into the back foot as well as the front. Wrap the hands, either take hold of the thigh or the hand or the wrist. Draw the right shoulder back and down. Breathing in to open the heart to sky. Looking up if you can. Exhale. Lengthening the left leg. Breathing in. Trying to open the heart up, but don't force. Be mindful of the left knee. Coming back to bending left leg. Looking down at the left foot. Heel toe or hop the back leg in. Keep hold of the wrist. Transferring the body weight into the right foot. Taking your time. It's really hard when you've got sweaty wrists. Oh, it's a new one for me. Breathing in, nice tall posture. Exhale. Keep those hips nice and open. Shoulder blades pinch back and down. Slowly place the left foot down. Right foot steps back. Take a breath in. Chaturanga. Up dog or cobra. Child's pose or downward dog. I'm going to take a child's pose for a moment. Inhaling. Releasing through the mouth if the breath has got too intense through the nose. Heartbeat might be rapid, so just breathe into it. Okay, so we're going to try and go for that full bird of paradise with the option with the leg extended. If you want to pause the video and get like a strap or a dressing gown robe or like a belt or something, if you find it hard to take the bind, go grab something. Okay, when you're ready, going into that downward dog. Right leg up, open the hip. Breathe, push the floor away. Right knee to right elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, right foot between the thumbs. High lunge. Bend the right knee, push the heart forwards, open the palms. Warrior three. Interlace the fingers if you can. Flex the toes down. Palms push towards each other, or maybe they touch. Dropping the left hip and the left shoulder slightly forward. Pull the right hip back. Inhale, push through the left heel, extend through the right, in through the head. Left hand down, left toes down, right arm up. Inhale, side plank. You're doing amazing. Right foot to the front. Inhale, spin left foot, Skandasana to back. Prayer. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale to the back, Skandasana. Exhale, warrior two into reverse. Breathe. Right arm down, left arm up. If you want to grab the strap, you want to grab it with the right hand and chuck it through to grab it with the left, or perhaps you grab the wrist, pull the heart through. Breathing in. Exhale. Lengthen right leg, take that stretch. Breathing in. Exhale, back to warrior two. Are you ready? Jump or hop or step that left foot in. Pushing into the left leg. Slowly coming up to balance on that left leg. First of all, get your spine straight. If this is enough, stay here. Breathing in to open the heart. Option to extend the right leg. Breathe. And bend the right knee. Slowly coming down. Stepping back to warrior two, kind of legs with the bind. Take a breath in the bind. Oh, exhale, chaturanga, or go back to downward dog. Just take a moment to notice how your left leg and right leg feel compared to each other, and your right shoulder and left shoulder feel. Okay, left leg opens, open the hip, breathing in. Left knee to left elbow. Inhale, three-legged dog. Left foot between the thumbs. High lunge. Breath in, bend the left knee, push the heart forwards. Exhale, warrior three, balancing on that left leg. Interlace the fingers, push out through the right heel, palms pressed together. Exhale, crown of the head extends. Right toes down, right hand down. Inhale to arrive at side plank and exhale to lift the hip higher. Left foot comes back to the front. Spin the right heel down. Skandasana, flex the toes up. It's a breeze. Warrior two. Left knee, left fingertips, open heart, open hips, open mind. Skandasana back of the mat. My goodness, I'm sweat dripping. Warrior two into reverse. Can't wait for you guys to be out here doing this with me. You are gonna love it. Take a breath in. Exhale. Left arm down, right arm up. Wrap the right arm. Pull the shoulder back and down. Open the heart to sky, take a breath. Exhale, looking down, lengthen left leg. Taking a deep breath in. Exhale to bend. Okay, moment of truth. Looking down at the left foot, hop that right leg in. Shift the weight into the right. Coming up, take your time. You got this. This might be enough to stand. Option two, extend. Take a breath. Smile. Ooh. Bend the left knee. Coming down, keep the bind. Breathe. Chaturanga. Oh my goodness. Well, that has been a sweaty one today. Take a child's pose or a downward dog. Just taking 3 or 4 breaths here. I'm just going to grab a water. Can't remember where I put it. Aha. If you want to stay in downward dog, you can. It's totally up to you. Just breathing in, breathing out. If you're in your downward dog, making your way down onto your knees. And if you're in child's pose, coming back onto your knees, taking a seat. So just take a couple of breaths in to ground ourselves. Drop the chin down, just breathing into that heartbeat. Should be high and heavy and strong. So I'd like you just to tune in now to your breath. As you're doing this, you're breathing into your belly and your heart. Relax any tension in your feet, your calves, your thighs, your toes, your hands, your shoulders. As you're exhaling, you're just letting yourself just release any tension. Taking 2 more breaths here. When you're ready, keep the eyes closed, but just send the energy up to the sky. Bring your palms in a prayer. Bring your hands down to your forehead and just press gently into your third eye, the space between your eyebrows, and just bringing that for clarity and peace of mind. Giving yourself permission to let go of worrying and overthinking and just instead finding the time to be present in the moment. I am present. Bringing your hands down to your lips. Giving yourself permission to be authentic with your words and trust in your communication. When we slow down, we have the ability to respond rather than react. Bringing awareness to our thoughts will allow us to have the ability to reconnect to our words and speak our truth with ease and grace and joy. And bringing our hands to our heart, just to honour the heart, drop the chin down, honouring yourself for consistently showing up for you, for consistently making yourself a priority, and knowing that each time you come back to the mat, you're getting stronger mentally, emotionally, physically and spiritually. Namaste. Love and light. See you soon.